If you've been feeling stuck or unsure about how to manifest your dream life, it's likely you've been missing the key steps that bring clarity, alignment, and focus into your manifestation practice. Without the right approach, it's easy to feel disconnected from the goals or overwhelmed by doubt. That's where my book, How to Manifest Your Dream Life, comes in. Hi, I'm Veronica Moss, and I've dedicated my work to helping individuals unlock their true potential and step into their power using proven manifestation techniques. Through my guidance, countless people have gone from feeling lost and unsure to confidently creating the life they've always envisioned, one filled with purpose, abundance, and joy. One of the most common mistakes people make when trying to manifest is focusing too much on the end result without properly aligning their energy, intentions, and actions. This misalignment often causes frustration and stops progress in its tracks. My book, How to Manifest Your Dream Life, provides practical, actionable steps to help you overcome these hurdles and truly connect with your vision. In this book, I'll guide you through techniques designed to help you gain clarity, align your thoughts and emotions with your desires, and take inspired action. You'll learn to shift your mindset, release self-doubt, and stay connected to the energy that drives manifestation. More than just a guide, it's a transformational journey that enables you to tap into your inner power and turn your dreams into a reality. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start creating a life that aligns with your deepest desires, How to Manifest Your Dream Life is the resource you need. It's time to embrace your manifestation power, stay in tune with your intentions, and build a life filled with abundance, purpose, and joy. Let this book be your step-by-step guide to turning your dreams into a reality. Just click on the button below this video to get your copy today.